Elegro Gateway allows to create UK IBAN for each client and name it after him or her. As many UK IBANs as it is required can be created for free. To create an IBAN in the dashboard, sign into your account. Go to IBANs tab and click Create IBAN button. In the appeared form, fill in the fields with the required data. And then click Create button. The email notification about IBAN reservation is sent to your customer. It contains wire instructions as well. Now you are fully set up to accept transfers with no recalls within SEPA Zone.